Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Rearrange home screen in REALME 16. So if you want to open the home screen setting, just hold the finger on the display, and as you can see there are a few options to edit. We can start from the wallpapers. If you want to change it, just choose your new favorite one and click on apply. Now decide that you want to set it to the lock screen, home screen, or both of them. Now I'm gonna pick the home screen, and that's it, you have a new wallpaper. Simple. Okay, the next one, icons. Now you can change the icons here, or if you want to make your custom one, just click on this button. You can choose the shape. Remember that you have a preview, the size of the foreground, and the size of the icon. You can also hide the app names, but if you want to keep it visible, you can also change the size of it. After that, click on apply, and that's it. Now the widgets, if you want to add any, just hold the finger on it and choose the place in the home screen for it. You can also click on the done. You can also change the size of it by holding the finger and swipe the edge. And of course you can also remove that in the same way. The layout, this is the amount of the application there are and in the column, so just choose your favorite one and click on the apply to activate this layout. And the last one, transition, this is the effect when you're typing the pages, so tap on anyone to play the preview, choose and click apply. That's it. If you want to make any folder, just hold the finger on the app, on the icon of the app, and drop onto another. We have a new folder, we can change the name of it. If you want to remove the folder, you can hold the finger on it and choose remove. You can also enlarge the folder. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.